Hello students, in this video we are going to see median. So again you see median problem in the continuous series. But in the continuous series, that means in the class interval. The class interval there are two types is there. One is exclusive and inclusive. Exclusive and inclusive. So exclusive is nothing but if it is 0 to 10, next is 10 to 20. So it is finished in 10 no. Again you start from 10, 10 to 20, then 20 to likewise in this interval is nothing but exclusive. Okay, so in this type only we can do problem directly. Okay, here the problems come under 20 to 29, but the next interval start from 30 to 39. See, it is finished 29 no, but it start from 29 alone. Okay, but here when it is start from 30 to 39, next is 42. Okay, it is not continuity. Okay, this type of problem is inclusive. So inclusive type, that means 0 to 9, next 10 to 19, next 20 to 29, like in this type called is inclusive type. Exclusive nothing but 0 to 10. So the upper limit is 10 no, upper next one is the lower limit is the same value means that is exclusive. Here upper is 9, next the lower is not same, it's different. Okay, this is inclusive. So what you do in this type is inclusive. First you convert the problem in exclusive type. Okay, this is a concept. In the class interval, that is continuous series with the class interval, there are two types that you understand. And 2 mark notes I will give later. There are two types. One is exclusive and inclusive. Exclusive na 0 to 10. It is the upper limit is 10 no. Upper next interval is start from upper. That is our lower is 10 to 20. Likewise next is 20 to 30. So this is the exclusive type. If it is 0 to 9, next is not upper is not equal to lower. It is 10 to 19. Likewise, the difference, the lower and upper not same. No. So this type of problem is called inclusive. Okay. Now the given problem is nothing but inclusive type. So already we done exclusive type problem. Here we are going to see inclusive type problem. Okay. First you convert the inclusive to exclusive. That I will teach you how to convert. Okay, here the mark no, that is our class interval. You take CI number of number of students, number of workers, number of that is nothing but F. That is our frequency. Okay, this is class interval. Okay, so don't confuse. First one is class interval. The lower to upper means that is nothing but class interval. You take CI and the number of students, number of person, number of works, if they given now, you take small f. Okay, that is our frequency. Okay, now so now we change the class interval. Okay, what do you do? What is the upper value? 29. Here, what is the lower value? The first interval upper 29. It is in second interval upper is upper is 29. In second lower is 30. Now find the difference, that is 30 to 29 difference. 30 minus 29, what is the answer? 1. So find the difference and divide by 2. Okay, that is nothing but 1 by 2. So if you divide means we will get 0.5, 0.5. Okay, so in upper leave, in lower leave find the difference of in the first interval upper, in second and lower, that is nothing but 30 minus 29, we get 1. After that, divide by 2. Okay, divide by 2, what you get? 0.5. This 0.5, each lower line you subtract, each upper you add. So in each interval you subtract 0.5, in lower interval, in upper line you add 0.5. Okay, now nothing but 20 minus 0.5, that is our 19.5 to. In the 29, just to add 0.5. That means write as it is 29, put 0.5. Okay, easily we can do. In upper lala, just to put 0.5, 0.5, 0.5. In lower lala, 0.5 erase panikum. Okay, and next one, here reduce here 0.5, you get 29.5. In upper add 39.5. Likewise, next one, so 39.5, here 49.5. So write this value here. 49.5, next 59.5, write this value here. 59.5, here 69.5, next is 69.5, 79.5, next is 79.5, 89.5, next 89.5, So 99.5. I think this is the last value. Check. The last one is 99. No. If you add point, 99.5. Okay. Now check. So the lower is 19 point, upper 29. The same value come again. No. Up our interval is, it is an exclusive type. Okay. You convert this like in the exclusive type. Now frequency you write as it is. Okay. What's the frequency? 5. The first one is 5, 12, 15, 20, 18, 10, 6 and 5. Okay. So already I told whenever median problem if they given, so the all type of problem, whenever given frequency you find capital N. So capital N is nothing but total of frequency. Don't forget, just add this all value you get 91. Okay. So capital N equal to 91. Okay. So now what's the problem? Median. So median you find CF. CF is nothing but cumulative frequency. Okay. You know how to find cumulative frequency in discrete continuous median கேட்டாலே after f க்கு அடுத்து CF தான் find பண்ணணும். Okay. You know first f value is 5, you crossly add 5 plus 12 17. Now 17 plus 15 32. Now 32 plus 20 52. 52 plus 18 70. 70 plus 10 80. 80 plus 6 86. Now 86 plus 5 91. Now check this both are equal. Yes, equal. Our cumulative answer is right. Okay. Now go to the formula. You know formula median first median class find formula. Okay. Median class equal to you know size of capital N by 2th term. Okay, this is a formula. What's our capital N? Capital N equal to 91. So 91 divided by 2. So check 91 divided by 2 using calculator we find that is nothing but 45.5 the term. Okay, so directly you write divide, don't write again 91 by 2, save the time. Now this 45.5 where it is lies in class interval, sorry, cumulative frequency. In the CF the 40.5 angle lies out 32 ku 52 here no 32 ku 52 ku middle only the 40.5 lies in. Okay, now the 52 just to mark it. Okay, so on the 40.5 வந்து 5 ல வராது, 17 குள்ள வராது, 32 ல வராது, 52 குள்ள தான் அந்த 45 இருக்கு அப்படி நான் வெச்சுக்கோங்க. அப்ப 52 just on the row just to mark. Okay, now mark this row. Now after marking this row, what's the class interval here? That write that value here. Okay, that is nothing but 40.9 to 59.5. Okay. Now, so after you marking this row here, the lower limit, this is L equal to 49.5 and this is your F equal to 20. The preceding value, and don't take this is CF. Most of the students they are taking this only CF. That is wrong. The previous value only is CF. CF is nothing but 32. Okay, again repeat. After finding the class interval, that is 45 point lies in 52, you mark this row. This is L lower limit. Yeah, the preceding value, previous value. This 32 is nothing but our CF. Okay. Now mark write it here. So L equal to 49.5 and F equal to 20 and our CF equal to 32 preceding value and C is the length of the class interval. Don't take class into the given problem. After convert this no, here only you take our C value. Find the difference. Around 29.5 minus 19.10. Check all the difference equal or that difference at the length of the class interval is nothing but that is called C. Difference nothing but C no, C equal to 10. Okay. Now you go to the formula. You know median formula. Median equals to L plus N by 2 minus CF divided by F into C. Don't forget the formula. Now L equal to 49.5 plus N by 2. So N is 90. 91 by 2 you know 45.5 minus CF. CF is 32 divided by F. So F, what is the F value? F is nothing but 20. into C is 10. Okay. The L value write as it is first. Okay. Easily you can do L on the update. Now just you subtract into divide. Using the calculator first you subtract. After that into divide. So what will get? 6.75. Check your calculator. Subtract into divide directly. Right. After only you add this two value. Okay. So adding this to 6.25. So this is your answer. This is your median. Now check This 56 lies in the class center law. The median class la 49 to 59 irukla. Idhula the 56 lies avudha ulla iruka? Yes. Appa our answer is right. Okay. So this is our problem. In the median la வந்து exclusively inclusive just internal only difference, and the difference check பண்ணிட்டு do this both the problem. Surely on 10 mark problem we expect from this median concept, class center concept. I hope you understand this whole concept. If any doubt means you ask in comment box, I will teach you. Okay, I think you understand this concept. Thank you, student.